1 plus 1 equals 2. 5 times 2 equals 10, and 10 divided by 10 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division, a multiplication, and an addition operator present. We do have parentheses present too, and according to the rules, parentheses have higher priority than anything else, so we need to solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 1 plus 1, that gives us 2, and our expression simplifies to 10 divided by 5 times 2. Now we have two operators present in this expression, division and multiplication. And multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we have to work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that's on the left side. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. And finally, 2 times 2 equals 4, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.